Why does my back hurt on the lower right side? Lower right-sided back pain is really common, and if you have pain in the right side of your lower back but not the left side of your lower back, you may be wondering why that is. Hi, I'm Dr. Dave Candy, and in this video I'm going to explain why right-sided lower back pain is really common, what causes it, and what you can do about it. Now, if you find this video helpful, give it a like or thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you can get notified of our future videos. So first of all, why right-sided back pain? Why is that so common? Well, you may think that it's pretty obvious that people are largely right-handed. They'll tend to carry their purse on their right side, carry heavy things on their right side, carry groceries in their right hand. Largely people who are right-handed will tend to do most things with their right side. That also can create some more muscle development on their right side versus their left side. And over time, people can develop one shoulder that's lower. If you lean over to the right side persistently, or if you're always working on something over there. I've even had a patient who said, oh yeah, I lean over on the right armrest of the couch all the time. If you're doing any sort of asymmetrical work where you're always leaning to the right side, that's another thing that can cause right-sided lower back pain. That if you're always in a position like that, the muscles on the right side of your lower back can get tight and stiff. Now, another thing that can cause it is if you always stand with your weight on your right side and your right hip goes up and you're kind of leaning over to that side, that can also cause the muscles on that side to get stiff. So the best thing that you can do to take care of the right side of lower back pain is to try to do things more symmetrically. If you're carrying things, switch between the left arm or the right arm, or carry it right out in front of you but close to your body so that you're not shifting all of your weight to one side or the other. If you try to work on something that's straight in front of you or straight in front of you. Try to avoid leaning out to one side or leaning out to the other side as much as that's feasibly possible. If you sit on a couch or chair, if you have a pillow that's on the right side or an armrest that's on the right side, put a pillow over on the left too so you can sit more symmetrically and not just lean over on one armrest. If you're sitting, avoiding sitting with the same leg crossed over the other can help you avoid making the muscles stiffer on the right side. But if you've already gotten to the point where your right lower back hurts and you just need some help for it and need some relief, there are a few simple things that you can do. First of all, if the muscles on that side are tight and you're always in a position like that, it makes sense just to go the opposite direction. And if you're always leaning to the right, this is a good stretch to open up the spaces on the right side. Now, your right hip flexors can also cause right-sided lower back pain, and actually the referral pattern for your hip flexors, which actually attach to the front of your spine and then down into your groin there, is really right here and right back there. So if those muscles are tight, you can do a hip flexor stretch where you're actually kind of kneeling down and stretching out the muscles that way, and then leaning away from that side so that you're both stretching the hip flexors as well as the trunk muscles, or the quadratus lumborum, it's sometimes called if you're familiar with medical terms. So those are a couple things that you can do to stretch out the right-sided trunk muscles. Now, if you've tried those things, if you've tried more symmetrical postures, if you've tried avoiding standing like that, if you've tried carrying things out or even carrying things in the left side, you've tried stretching things out, and you're still having right-sided lower back pain that you can't figure out, just feel free to reach out and we'd be happy to help you out. And if you found this video helpful, give it a like or thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks and have a great day.